Welcome back, everyone. Kind of a bigger update, but it's only going to look small. I put together, and yes, I'm on the squeaky floorboard. I'm trying not to step on that for us this time. I put together the ramps board just to make sure that the brains were alive. I have the, I don't know how they're pronounced, Pololu drivers in, and I'm just running it from a US, one of those USB power sticks just to power it up. Now I have gone in and done the temperature overrides and seen that the functionality of the screen works. But I'm hoping this weekend to not need that, because I'm hoping to get the hot end connectors on the end of these wires and get that connected. I got to do the 3 end stops. I've got one of them up there. I might have to cut and extend those and use some of the wire that I've got. I've got some old serial wire here. I might have to extend those. We'll just see, because there's actually a fair bit of motion in this printer. So I think the default wires may not be long enough, but we'll have to check for that. But as far as the end stops, they should all be fairly close to where I plan on putting the ramps. And my idea is probably going to be this mounted in some sort of small box. Funny enough, probably actually a Ferrero Rocher chocolate box. One of those clear acrylic ones with a hole cut for the fan. Just keep dust off it. And then I'll probably do a 45-degree angle mount with some of this wood that's left over on the front that'll hold the box and all that. But we'll get to that later. Mainly though, it's alive. I've had this communicating with my PC. Everything seems fine. So once I get some end stops mounted where they have to be and double check all the mechanicals are set as they should, I do have to trim this bolt down, as I mentioned in the last video. And then get that set. I will be able to put the print bed and heat bed together, because today the piece of borosilicate glass arrived. I'm not going to bother getting that right now because it's just a piece of glass. I'll do that again when I've got that mounted and get the screws back through the holes in the springs. Now I do have to do, like Chuck Hellebuck had mentioned and had found, my Mark IIB board does have traces incredibly close to the screws, so I'm going to be using the insulating washers. But other than that, hopefully the next thing I can do is start checking the muscle, because the brains are working. I just got to get the brains driving the motors and seeing the sensors, and then who knows, maybe I might be printing by the end of the week. Maybe. Anyhow, if you got any questions, don't forget to put them below. Subscribe if you like this kind of stuff, and like the crazy things I get up to. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye. Alright, I lied. Yeah, this is that piece of borosilicate glass. As I can say, there's not a lot to see unless I catch a reflection in it. So anyhow, thanks for watching.